Hey family, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And if this is your first time here, I want to extend to you a warm welcome to Miss T's Secret Recipes. Today I will be showing you the secret to my Cajun sliders just in time for the Super Bowl. And if you have any questions or comments about this recipe, please leave them down below. So go ahead and get your slide on and stay tuned for the video. First things first, fam, we gotta season that ground beef. I'm gonna start off with a little seasoning salt, black pepper, and a dash of garlic powder. And then I'm gonna add in the secret ingredient, a little better than Bouillon Beef Base. This really gives the ground beef a nice flavor, gives it a little punch. You know what I'm saying. And then next, we have to make our patties. So I'm gonna make the patties about the size of my palm, give them a couple smacks to make them nice and flat, and then we'll grill them. Then we're gonna set our grill to 350 or 375 degrees. So we're going to make a Cajun cheese sauce as well as a Cajun butter. So you're going to add about 1 or 2 tablespoons of that Cajun seasoning to the melted Velveeta cheese. Give it a good stir. It's going to be delicious. And then the same thing with the melted butter. We're going to add about a tablespoon or so of that Cajun seasoning. I'm using McCormick, but you can use your own homemade blend, whatever you want to do. Add that to the butter, give it a good stir, and then we'll use that to butter our buns. So after our patties come off of the grill, we're going to open up the bun lids and put the patties in there. We're going to add one of those quarter slices of cheese. We're going to add a dollop of that delicious Cajun cheese sauce. Put the lids on, and then we're going to butter the buns real nice so they can be bursting with flavor when we bite into them. Then we'll put them in the oven for about 5 minutes at 450 degrees. So guys, when the sliders come out of the oven, we're going to butter them one more time with that delicious Cajun butter. And voila, delicious Cajun sliders. I hope you guys absolutely love this recipe. If you have any questions or comments about it, please leave them down below. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Don't be shy, give your girl a like, and I will see you next time. Peace.